Union Health Minister Amit Shah on Saturday dismissed recent allegation of his ill health. The veteran BJP leader took to Twitter to clarify those were just rumors and that, as the country's home minister, he has been working as the country grapples with the coronavirus pandemic. He said, "I am completely healthy and not suffering from any disease," he said in a tweet in Hindi. Several social media users have recently speculated about Shah's health. Shah further said that when he found out about the rumors, he initially refused to clarify, but he was forced to clear the air when party workers and well-wishers over the last 2 days inquired about his health. 4 people were arrested on Saturday for spreading rumors about Home Minister Amit Shah's health. The 4 people were detained in Gujarat, 2 from Bhavnagar and the other 2 from Ahmedabad. The local crime branch detained 4 persons for spreading misinformation about Amit Shah's health, Special Commissioner of Police Crime Ajay Tomar said. A screenshot of a fake Twitter account in Shah's name with his photo claiming that he was suffering from a serious ailment had gone viral on social media platforms. Former Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Ajit Jogi suffered a cardiac arrest at home and is now on ventilator support according to a hospital statement. He is in a critical condition, the Sri Narayana Hospital in Raipur said. Ajit Jogi, who is 74 years old, leads the Janata Congress Chhattisgarh, a party he founded after he was sacked from the Congress party in 2016. He is the first of only 3 men to have led Chhattisgarh as chief minister, serving between 2000 and 2003. A company whose owners fled the country with over rupees 400 crores in unpaid loans borrowed from the State Bank of India and other banks has emerged as the latest example of a mega defaulter evading action. The owners of Delhi-based basmati rice exporter Ramdev International Limited, investigated by the CBI for allegedly defaulting on loans from 6 banks, have been missing since 2016. The company was classified as a non-performing asset in 2016. 4 years later, after a complaint from SBI on February 25, the CBI filed a case last week on April 28. BJP leader Pankaja Munde has said that she was not upset over not being nominated by the party for the upcoming Legislative Council election. In a tweet, Pankaja Munde asked her supporters not to get demoralized. She said, "We both are there for each other and have the blessings of Sahib," which is her father Gopinath Munde. The former BJP minister who lost the Parli seat in last year's assembly polls to her cousin and NCP leader Dhananjay Munde said she was not upset over not being given a ticket for the May 21 biennial elections.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.